What's up, boys? So for part 3, we're going to be taking off the hood, taking out the half shaft, doing some bell housing bolts, taking out the starter, and putting on some motor mounts and see where it goes from there. Let's go ahead and put this over here. I'm going to hang a hoist here. It's a chain hoist, so I'm going to hook it around this wood and lower the transmission that way so I don't get smashed. We got to get our starter out. Oh, you getting all dirty from my dirty bolts, huh? I wanted to keep those over here so that way I don't lose them. You got your stitch? Is he paying attention?
Yeah.
You got it? He's paying attention?
Yeah.
All right. Let's take this starter out.
Okay.
Okay. So now from the other side, we got to take our starter bolts out. I might as well do my half shaft while I'm here. I don't know if any fluid might try and come out. So now that we're good on fluid, we know we ain't got to worry about that. We're just going to hang that guy out there. I ain't even going to worry about this seized up axle. There is our starter. I think Stitch is over here taking a break. Can you come get him? All we got to do is get the bell housing and the mounting bolts, and it should be ready to come out.
Okay, doing.
I am taking bolts off of the engine. What are you doing?
Mount it.
All right. I had to drop it with this side's axle in. If you know about these things, then you know struggle.